Let's get some journal pages ready for the month of May. Hello everybody, this is Priya here. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning. And if this is the first time, thank you so much for taking some of your precious time to spend with me. If you remember my pre-planned video, I had asked for suggestions on whether I should go for this B5 journal from Notebook Therapy that I have, or should I go with the happy notes that I have, I guess all of us have. But I wanted to see how much of a work this would be, but I think I will talk all about how I'm using this. This is going to be a trial month. So just trying to see if it is something I would do. If you're thinking why all these stickers and sticker books are outside, you know that we are on a mission, use your stash. I have prepped a few pages. I will walk you through that, and I will also share where they came from. I did go ahead and make pages 15 days, so that would be half the month. So let's see how things go by then, and then I'll take it from there. So there is no plan with me process video here, but if you would like me to have that, let me know in the comments below. So this is the Notebook Therapy, the Suki, the nighttime edition. And I just made an intro kind of page since it's spring. I used up, this was the spring vibes from Planything, and this was an older washi. I thought the colors went well. So I have all of these washi tapes here from Planything, and these scallops washis are not from Planything, but you can pick up similar ones from Planything now. I used some of that, and this is a frame, so I thought this was like a neat intro page, and I might come and do the highlights of the month here. So I might come and add boxes and things later, but this is how the intro pages look, and on to the actual journal pages. So I'm thinking of doing one page a day. These stickers are all from Live Love Posh. I will try and link the products I used. The washi tapes are mostly from Planything. And if you are new to journaling, let me tell you a brief introduction of what journaling would mean. It definitely means different things for different people, but it could be basically just writing down your day, how it went, how your thoughts went, how your thoughts, your emotions, all of that. So for some, that is how they do it. That can be quite a bit therapeutic for people who struggle with addressing your emotions or recognizing or respecting your emotions. For such people, I think journaling is a great way to start. And then comes the next level, which is you write about what you strive to achieve. So as you know, there are lots of journaling prompts available all across the internet. You can look up journaling prompts. This is how I like to do it. This is how, there is no right or wrong. It just depends on what you feel comfortable. And for me, I think decorating makes it more appealing. So that's why I have my pages all decorated. So this is, again, I just went in with some eyeliners. And these are all Love Posh stickers. The more advanced kind of journaling is when you actually write about your goals, what you would like to achieve in your life. And those are a bit more challenging because you need to put a little more thought into this. And this would be Planything. And these are older sticker books, and this is from the seasonal days. So the boxes are all from there. So that is, again, some of the other advanced kind of journaling that people say. And this, it can be really hard for some people to get to that. So just making it pretty makes it more appealing to me. And that way, I think I'm more likely to come back to it. So this is from Califoplan, Realistic Florals. And this is entirely Planet Darby, except for the functional boxes, which are from Planything. So let me know in the comments if you journal and what you journal about. So I would really like to hear, and I will also share all the products I used, and let me know in the comments if any of this really gave you some inspiration to get started on journaling yourself. And this is a doctorate journal. You can pick it up from multiple shops. I will have my Archer and Olive, which is usually what I reach for, but since I did not have a B5 and the Archer and Olive, that I picked up one from Notebook Therapy. So where this is from? So this is my journaling just for half of the month. Let me know in the comments which of these pages you like the most, and hope you get some inspiration to actually get into journaling, because it's very therapeutic. I do journal, but I'm trying to cultivate that habit of journaling every single day, which has been a struggle for me. So I'm taking a bit more effort to make sure I come back to these pretty pages every day. Let me know how you like to journal and what exactly you journal. Do you go for the prompts, or do you just write what you feel like? Let me know all about it. I'm keen to know. And thank you so much for watching. Please come hang out with me on Instagram. Let me see how this goes, this journey goes. This is a new method I'm experimenting, so I would really hope it works. If you would like to see the actual process when I do these, let me know and I can make a video for that. As of now, I just picked up the sticker books. I was just watching something as a family, and I was just getting my pages ready. That was all there was. And I really like how this new way looks, new pages look. I can't wait to get started. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next one.